Dear students, welcome to your physics class. Last class we discussed problem based on a universal law of gravitation. Today we are learning next connected term free fall. So as the name indicates, if an object falls freely under gravitational force alone, when object falls freely under gravitational force alone, suppose I have a chalk piece in my hand. If I throw it up, or a stone take in my hand, throw it up, what will happen? It will reach to a certain height. Till that, to reach that height, we applied force. Then, at that height, after reaching particular height, what will happen to the stone? It will fall downward only due to gravitational force. So, the stone falls downward to the earth's surface only due to gravitational force. Only due to gravitational force. This gravitational force is a reason for falling an object towards earth. Then, or earth gravity. Because of earth gravity, when objects fall towards earth, we say objects are in free fall. So when objects are in free fall, whenever an object falls towards earth, only due to gravitational force. Only due to gravitational force. So gravitational force alone is a reason for falling objects. So this falling we say free fall. Then dear children, we consider an object is falling freely. As object is falling freely downward towards earth, velocity increases. Velocity increases. Velocity increases, so acceleration is involved. What is involved? Acceleration is involved because as the velocity changes with the time, there is an acceleration involved. This acceleration is due to gravity only. So we say acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity. So whenever an object falls downward due to gravitational force alone, we say free fall. In this free fall, there is an acceleration involved. This acceleration is due to gravity only. So we say acceleration due to gravity. That acceleration instead of A letter, we are denoting G letter. Usually acceleration denoted by which letter? A letter. But here acceleration is involved due to gravity only. Here acceleration involved due to gravity. So we denoted with the G. Literally we have capital G, universal gravitational constant. So we instead of capital G, we use small letter G. Acceleration due to gravity, symbol small letter G only. So whenever object falls towards earth, that acceleration involved denoted by small letter G. Acceleration due to gravity. Is unit also same only? What is the unit of acceleration? Meter second raised to -2 or meter per second square. This meter per second square or meter second raised to -2 is the unit of small letter G. Acceleration due to gravity. So unit is same only, but instead of A symbol, we are using small letter G symbol in this case. That is the difference we have. Dear children, we consider an object is on the surface of earth. Earth surface. Earth mass is capital M. Object mass is small letter m. The distance between the center of the earth and object is r, radius of the earth. R is the radius of the earth. Because object is on the surface of earth, so distance between center of the object center of the object, and earth is r, radius of the earth. Then we have in this case, according to Newton's second law, the force exerted is ma, F equal to ma. But here acceleration is due to gravity only. So we can write F equal to mg, because acceleration is due to gravity. Acceleration is due to gravity. So we write the equation F equal to mg. Equation number 1 we have. Then according to universal law of gravitation, we have F equal to g mm, m into m. What is capital M? Mass of the earth. Small m, object on the surface of earth, divided by, instead of d square we can write r square, where r is the radius of the earth. I said the object is on the surface of the earth. Then instead of d we use r, which is radius of the earth. Then we have a second equation. So what is first equation? We have F equal to mg. Then this is according to Newton's second law. We have from Newton's second law F equal to ma. Acceleration is due to gravity. We can write F equal to mg. Then according to universal law of gravitation, we have F equal to g mm by r square. So we have how many equations? Two equations are there. Left hand side equal only. So we can equate right hand side. So we get mg equal to g mm by r square. mg equal to g mm by r square. m cancelled both sides because mass equal only, we can cancel. Then we get equation for gravity as g m by r square. This expression very important only. This equation for gravity expression only, g equal to g m by r square. So what is the expression for gravity? Acceleration due to gravity, g mm by r square. So dear children, F equal to ma, m equal to mg. Then here we have acceleration is due to gravity. We have F equal to ma, F equal to mg. Then F equal to g mm by r square. Then mg equal to g mm by r square, because left hand side equal, so we LHS are equal, so we can equate RHS. So we get the equation mg equal to g mm by r square. M we can cancel from both sides. We get the equation g equal to g m by r square. This is the expression for acceleration due to gravity. Then in this, if we consider this g value as, what is the value of g? 6.7 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square kilogram raised to minus 2 g value. Then mass of the earth 6 into 10 raised to 24. We already learned about the problem. 6 into 10 raised to 24 kg. Then what is radius of the earth? Radius of the earth, it will be 6.4 into 10 raised to 6 meter. What is the radius of the earth? 6.4 into 10 raised to 6 meter. I repeat, acceleration due to gravity can be expressed as g equal to g mm by r square. Then when we substitute the g value as 6.7 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square kilogram raised to minus 2. Then the mass of the earth 6 into 10 raised to 24. Radius 6.4 into 10 raised to 6. When we substitute here, we get g equal to 6.7 into 10 raised to minus 11 into 6 into 10 raised to 24 divided by 6.4 into 10 raised to 6 square. When we simplify this approximately, it is 9.77 we will get unity, meter second raised to minus 2. unit of G as meter second raised to minus 2. When we round it will be 9.8 Newton. We get meter second raised to minus 2. 9.8 meter second raised to minus 2. Approximately, when we calculate it, we get approximately 9.77. When we round it for one digit, we have 9.8 meter second raised to minus 2. This value is important for doing all the problems. We use 9.8. Then since you are 9th class students, some problems we will write 10 also for rounding, easy for calculation. So dear children, G equal to 9.8 meter second raised to minus 2. So we have two equations. We have learned in capital G value 6.7 into 10 raised to minus 11. Small letter G value 9.8. Unit here Newton meter square kilogram raised to minus 2. Here we unit meter second raised to minus 2. Then dear children, when we consider shape of the earth, not a perfect sphere, somewhat oval shape only. Here in a radius more. This part what is a equator. Then here what we will call a pole. North pole and south pole. Actually, radius is supposed to be equal, but it is not a perfect sphere. Earth shape is not a perfect sphere. Center, equator, radius more. Here radius is less. Then when we look at this equation, G equal to G mm by r square. G is small letter g, that is acceleration due to gravity, and the radius are inversely proportional. So G proportional to 1 by r. Gravity, acceleration due to gravity, and the radius of the earth are inversely proportional upon this equation. Then if r lesser, G more, gravity is more. Then if r more, G lesser, gravity lesser. Acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity less only at equator because radius more. But when we go to polar, G value increases. Acceleration due to gravity increases because radius is lesser. Radius of the earth is lesser comparing equator. This is slight variation only, not much variation. Almost on earth, G is constant. Small letter G constant only. Value 9.8 meter second raised to minus 2. Almost constant only, but slight variation depend on the value of G. This G depend on the radius. As the radius changes, G value also changes slightly, but almost it is constant as 9.8 meter second raised to minus 2. You don't be get a confusion. I said that G constant only, but slight variation depend on radius of the earth. Why radius of the earth is not same? Because it is a not perfect sphere. Earth we cannot consider as a perfect sphere. There is a variation upon the shape. The equator radius more. As radius more, G value will be lesser because radius and G are inversely proportional. Acceleration due to gravity, where is more at polar. G more at polar because radius is lesser. But equator, G lesser because radius more. This is fact important only. Next, when we consider weight of the object, there we will learn this more. So while solving questions, we have to know this factor. Very important only. Thank you, children. I hope everybody understand today's class. So read the textbook. Any doubt is call me and clear it. Thank you, children.